Before the printing press, books were a luxury. Only the very wealthy or religious institutions could afford them. This all changed in the 15th century. Johannes Gutenberg, a German inventor, developed a new technology. This invention was the printing press. It would change the world forever. The printing press allowed for the mass production of books. Knowledge and ideas could spread more easily. This essay will explore the evolution of the printing press. From Gutenberg's invention to modern digital printing, we will see how this technology has shaped our world. Johannes Gutenberg's printing press was a remarkable invention. It used movable type, which was a revolutionary concept. Each letter was a separate piece of metal. These pieces could be arranged and rearranged to create words and sentences. Once the page was set, ink was applied. Paper was then pressed onto the inked surface, creating a printed page. Gutenberg also developed an oil-based ink. This ink was more durable and produced clearer text than previous inks. The Gutenberg press was slow by today's standards. However, it was a vast improvement over hand copying. His invention marked the beginning of mass printing. After Gutenberg's invention, the printing press went through a series of improvements. Early presses were made primarily of wood. These presses were often large and cumbersome. They were also prone to breaking down. Over time, metal components were incorporated into the presses. These changes made the presses stronger and more durable. The development of the printing press was an iterative process. Each improvement built upon the previous one. These advancements led to the creation of more efficient and reliable printing presses. The 19th century saw the introduction of all-metal printing presses. These presses were far superior to their predecessors. The Stanhope press, invented by Charles Stanhope, was one of the first. It used a system of levers to increase the power of the press. This resulted in sharper and clearer prints. The Columbian press, invented by George Clymer, was another significant development. It featured a toggle system that made it easier to operate. The Albion press, invented by Richard Koenig, was known for its simplicity and durability. These iron presses were faster, more durable, and produced higher quality prints. They paved the way for the mass production of books, newspapers, and other printed materials. Section 5. The Power of Steam, Revolutionizing Mass Production. In 1811, Friedrich Koenig, a German printer, introduced a revolutionary new technology, the steam-powered printing press. This innovation marked a turning point in the history of printing. Koenig's press used steam power to drive the printing cylinders. This allowed for much faster printing speeds than ever before. The first steam-powered press could print over 1,000 sheets per hour. This was a significant increase over the 250 sheets per hour that the best hand-operated presses could manage. The introduction of steam power revolutionized the printing industry. It made mass production of printed materials possible. This led to the rise of newspapers, magazines, and mass-market books. Section 6. The rise of the rotaries, fueling the newspaper boom. The next major development in the evolution of the printing press was the invention of the rotary press. This groundbreaking invention revolutionized the way information was disseminated to the public. Richard March Hoe, an American inventor, is credited with inventing the first rotary press in 1843. His innovation marked a significant leap forward in printing technology. Unlike earlier presses, which used a flat printing surface, the rotary press used a rotating cylinder. This fundamental change in design allowed for continuous printing, which was a major advancement over the stop-and-start nature of flatbed presses. This allowed for much faster printing speeds. The rotary press could produce thousands of pages per hour, a feat that was unimaginable with previous technologies. Hoe's invention was further improved by William Bullock, another American inventor. Bullock's enhancements made the rotary press even more efficient and user-friendly. Bullock's press used a continuous roll of paper, eliminating the need to manually feed sheets into the press. This innovation not only saved time but also reduced the labor required for printing. These innovations significantly increased printing speed and efficiency. The ability to print continuously without interruption meant that newspapers could be produced in larger quantities and at a faster rate. Rotary presses became the standard for newspaper printing. Their reliability and speed made them indispensable to the industry. They made it possible to print newspapers quickly and cheaply, fueling the growth of the newspaper industry. This boom in newspaper production played a crucial role in shaping public opinion and spreading information during a time of rapid social and political change. Section 7. A New Era, Offset Printing and Mass Production. This chapter delves into the transformative impact of offset printing on the world of mass production. In the late 19th century, offset printing emerged as a revolutionary new printing technique, changing the landscape of the printing industry forever. Unlike letterpress printing, which used raised surfaces to transfer ink, offset printing utilized a flat surface, making the process more efficient and versatile. The image was first transferred from a printing plate to a rubber cylinder, and then from the rubber cylinder to the paper. This indirect method ensured a more precise and consistent print. This process resulted in significantly higher quality prints, especially for images and graphics, which were now clearer and more detailed than ever before. Offset printing also allowed for printing on a wider variety of surfaces, including paper, cardboard, and even plastic, showcasing its versatility. Offset presses came in two main types, web-fed and sheet-fed. Each type had its own unique advantages and applications. Web-fed presses used a continuous roll of paper, making them ideal for high-speed, high-volume printing tasks, such as newspapers and magazines, while sheet-fed presses printed on individual sheets, making them suitable for smaller runs and more specialized printing jobs. Offset printing quickly gained popularity in the 20th century, becoming a cornerstone of the printing industry. It became the dominant printing method for books, magazines, and other high-volume printing applications, revolutionizing the way information was disseminated. Advances in automation further improved the speed and efficiency of offset printing, making it an indispensable tool in the modern printing landscape. The evolution of offset printing continues to shape the industry, driving innovation and setting new standards for quality and productivity. Section 8. The Digital Revolution. Printing in the Electronic Age. The late 20th century witnessed a paradigm shift in the printing industry with the advent of digital printing. Digital printing uses electronic files to create prints. This eliminates the need for printing plates, which are required in traditional printing methods. Digital printing offers several advantages. It allows for short-run printing, making it cost-effective to print small quantities. It enables on-demand printing where prints are produced only when needed. Digital printing also facilitates variable data printing. This allows for the customization of each print with unique information. Digital printing technologies include laser printing, inkjet printing, and thermal printing. Each technology has its strengths and is suited for different applications. Section 9. The Impact on Society. Knowledge for the masses. The impact of the printing press on society has been profound, revolutionizing the way information was disseminated. Before its invention, books were a luxury, painstakingly copied by hand, making them rare and expensive. Only the wealthy and the clergy had access to knowledge, creating a significant divide in education and information. The printing press democratized knowledge, breaking down barriers and making information available to a broader audience. It made books more affordable and accessible to the masses, leading to an unprecedented spread of literacy. This led to a surge in literacy rates as more people could now learn to read and write. The printing press also played a crucial role in the Renaissance, a period of renewed interest in art, science, and literature. It facilitated the spread of new ideas and discoveries, allowing scholars to share their work more widely and rapidly. The printing press fueled the Reformation, enabling the rapid dissemination of Martin Luther's writings and other reformist ideas. It allowed for the mass production and distribution of religious texts and pamphlets, challenging the established religious order. The printing press has shaped our world in countless ways, evolving over centuries to become more efficient and widespread. It has been instrumental in the advancement of science, literature, politics, and culture, laying the foundation for the modern world. Section 10. The future of printing innovation continues. The printing industry continues to evolve. Digital printing technologies are constantly improving. They offer faster printing speeds, higher print quality, and greater versatility. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is an emerging printing technology. It allows for the creation of three-dimensional objects from digital designs. 3D printing has the potential to revolutionize manufacturing. Printed electronics is another area of innovation. It involves printing electronic circuits and devices on various substrates. Printed electronics has applications in flexible displays, sensors, and wearable technology. The future of printing is bright. We can expect to see more exciting developments in the years to come. Section 11, Conclusion and Enduring Legacy. The printing press has come a long way since Gutenberg's invention in the 15th century. From the early wooden presses to modern digital printing technologies, each innovation has improved printing speed, efficiency, and quality. The printing press has played a pivotal role in shaping human history. It has democratized knowledge, fueled revolutions, and connected people across continents. As technology continues to advance, the printing industry will undoubtedly adapt and evolve. However, the fundamental importance of printing as a means of communication and information dissemination will remain. The printing press, in its various forms, will continue to leave its mark on the world for generations to come.